Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on video captions on Instagram. So this will basically put subtitles on every video you see on Instagram. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. And if you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. And from here we want to go to the top right 3 lines. And we're going to choose the first option of settings. And now what we want to do is go 3 from the bottom and choose account. And then about 6 down, you will see captions between language and sensitive content control. If we choose that, you can actually come here and toggle this on right here. And right underneath it, it says video posts you watch will show auto-generated captions, basically subtitles. There is a learn more link if you want to choose that as well. And then on the bottom it shows you what language you have it set to, and you can also go back and right above captions choose language if you would like to change the language for that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.